Hi, my name is Colin Griffin. I'm a junior, a Skilled Trade officer, and a soccer player at my high school. My engineering concentration is in mechanical design due to my love of architecture. I am currently in the architecture pathway. My first year was Intro to Drafting. In Intro to Drafting, we learned how to use Inventor and AutoCAD. In Inventor, our first project was the pulley wheel. Our second project was a rod guide. Both of these helped me practice building parts of a component. In AutoCAD, our first project was shaft support. Our second one was the T-plate. Both of these helped me practice building parts of a component and dimensioning those parts in AutoCAD. My second year was in Architecture 1. In Architecture 1, we had the Client House project. This project helped us get some real-world experience by giving us a real client with some real ideas. This is my Client House perspective view. This is my Client House 3D rendering. It shows a realistic representation of what my house would look like as if it were built in real life. Here is my client house kitchen rendering. It shows the realistic view of the kitchen inspired by the client's ideas. Here is the detailed exterior elevations of my house. It shows all four sides of the house with detail. Here is my client house perspective section. It shows a new interior view of the house. This is my client house kitchen elevations. It shows all the components of the kitchen. Here is my client house floor plan. It shows all the rooms and dimensions needed to make the client house. My third year of architecture is in Architecture 2. We built the beach house. This beach house was new because we had to actually find a place for the house to go in a beach. This is my beach house floor plan. Here is my beach house cross section. It's from the front view of the house, but it's also an interior view. Here's my longitudinal section. It's from the side view of the house and also an interior view. This is my first floor electrical floor plan. This shows how I have used a sufficient use of placement for the electrical equipment throughout the house. Here are some of the architectural drawings and sketches that I have created throughout my years. This is my beach house perspective view. It shows the planned 3D view of the beach house before I even designed a floor plan. This is a beach house elevation. These were all designed before I created the elevations for the beach house. This is a personal home site plan. This shows my personal home with the site and topography needed. This is actually a project I'm working on outside of class. I'm working with a man named Dr. Shane Prasad. They're taking two shipping containers, putting them side by side, and creating a facade for the front. This will be used for starting new businesses or helping new businesses grow. The inside can be hollowed out and their walls and doors will be placed. You can change the facade depending on the owner's ideas. Thank you for your time and consideration in me for a Governor's Honors Program.